Hello, traders. You're listening to WRAY NPR radio or something. Okay, we're keeping it real quiet tonight. A little bit of the classical. 88.8 FM, 589 AM. We're live all the time. Hi, Chat.
Johnny M in the mix.
I don't know, sir.
Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome to episode 701 of the show. If you missed 700, it was a good one. It was a real good one. Memorable, got to experience it with all of you. And we're just back again just a few hours later. Oh boy. If you want to hang out with me, I'm up here at some city. I think this might be New York. Or maybe that's Jersey and New York's over there. But somewhere, man. Go swim with me in the waters or something. Okay. Bitcoin. Wow. I'm so surprised. Bitcoin's barely moved. It's down $60 since we last spoke, really, since the new day opened, where the previous day was unable to manage a break above the 200-day moving average. So now you're getting some red, right? Not much. It's pretty much nothing. It'd be cool to see us maybe last a little bit longer, continue to get out of oversold territory, kind of keep resetting the daily oscillator. Oscillators, the RSI and the MACD, and get back to as close as neutral to possible, and then maybe start showing a little positive momo on lower prices, and then we sell off once more. And when we sell off once more, we will have almost no negative momentum, or if we do build negative momentum, it'll be much lower than the previous island, which is this one right now. At these prices, it might be some sort of setup for a long, but we just don't have it yet, not on the daily. And I think you would really, really like to get higher on the RSI before selling off once more, just so like if you sell off again right now, you're not going to go below 20. You get up to like 40 or something, and then you sell off. There's a good chance you won't get back down to 20 by the time you hit the critical support, and then that just could signify some exhaustion for the sellers. All right, but you know what's up, man. I mean, none of this is new. The stuff we talk about every day on Bitcoin, keeping you updated, whether you know it or not. It's the same analysis. It can't be different. Bitcoin hasn't moved. We knew where Bitcoin could go. It was going to go to 8,500, and guess what? We're at 8,244. We fell below 8,500. We're at this little small chop area from July 2018, and that's it, man. That's it. You fall below 8,500, you go down to probably 7,500. Well, we got to 7,700 before we broke to the upside just a little bit. But again, it's nothing so far. Absolutely nothing. Drago troll? What are you talking about, probes, man? Okay. I just wish there was like just more to the analysis that I could just add. It's just tough. You lift up every stone unturned on an asset. It happens to be what is centric to your stream, and nothing's changed. Right? The other way of looking at it, we know we're in a downtrend, but there's also a Volkanovski pattern that we broke out of, and we have not even come close to a measured move of this insanely colossal sized pattern. I mean, think about the size of this pattern. How many little bullish Gartleys could it contain? It's like the size of Jupiter. All right, it could fit probably. Let's do it, man. Let's just have fun with this. Who cares? It's freaking Tuesday night. It doesn't matter. Look how many bullish Gartleys you could contain within the triangle. So many, man. So many Gartleys. That's how large this pattern is, okay? It's not a joke. I'm talking about this pattern being this small and it manifesting into something so incredible, right?
You're the man, Mitch. Anyway, you could briefly explain how to use a fib channel.
Sure, Max G. Thanks for the 10, dude. Much love. The fib channel. Well, I mean, we don't use the real fib channel. Let's see what I can do here. I'm gonna open up a utility screen because, like, I hate doing all the education on this one, having to delete it like that. Give me a sec. Oops. So it's very, very simple. I mean, I guess we don't even have to go to the utility screen for this, so my bad. Let's just go to some asset. For the sake of education and also just me scanning. All right, let me go to some sort of potential double top on my scanner. Let's see, UNP. Railroads? Oh my god, dude. The move's already happened. Crap. That looks like some sort of double head and shoulders almost. Just the perfect symmetry, right? It was just the round. It was the action of Momo shift, right? On this one, UNP. Sorry, I get right to it, dude. Okay, just doing my thing, man. We'll get you a channel. But you see it, right? High, highest high, double top, lower high that matches and is symmetrical with that lower high before it, right? Not bad, not freaking bad. If that was the case, though, you could say that's the neckline, but I'll tell you, man, this was a double top. A very nice double top. Just sucks. I mean, it's like you broke the neckline, you rallied, made the lower high, now you're dumping again. All right, and the measure move of this pattern. Good God. Take you all the way down to 148.45. All right, that's the good old-fashioned double top. I'm just scanning for right now. Don't worry about it. But you're talking about the fib channel. Okay, I mean, I think you know how to get to it. I don't think I need to go that far, but it's very simple. It's the same rules as you would rule with a parallel channel. It's just more. It's meant more so for longer-term uptrends, downtrends. Okay, and we use our parallel channel for a little bit, you know, the shorter term, mid-term, downtrends, uptrends. This is the long-term tool. Try to use it like that, more long-term. So, with that being said, I guess we could go to the, well, let me plot it. So the criteria of an equidistant channel is you want to have 2 touch points on the top, 1 on the bottom, or 1 on the bottom. No, wait, sorry. 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom, or 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. You have to have a 3 anchor point minimum to be able to plot these, okay? So there's 1 anchor point. Here's another anchor point. Just so happens you got a 3rd anchor point too, right? So bring this all the way up. Aha. So if we anchor 1, 2, and then, oh my God, and then 3, which is right here, makes a lot of sense in a way, right? Where if you do 1, 2, 3rd touch point, bonus touch point, and you get 1 here. But look, another touch point, another touch point. All right, and you look inside, and here's the rule for the fib channel. It's very easy. You get rid of everything, all the Fibonacci involved with this channel, and you just make sure you have 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and 1. That is 5 variables you plug into your fib channel. That's it, man. You extend them out. I extend mine out all the way. They go like infinitely. You don't have to do that if you don't want. But a lot of it takes creativity. I mean, like, you know, normally when you use an anchor point 1 and 2 on the low side, you go just for like the high point from that bottom, and as you can see, it doesn't really play out that way. So you have to make adjustments, and it does make sense here. And you could have made the adjustment on this top and kept it the same, 1 and 2 up here, and then 3 and 4 and 5. You have so many touch points, but then you got 6 touch points, 7 touch points. You up thrusted out of the channel, and then you rallied, made the lower high about the same high, the double top, and now you're dumping. And it's so weird, isn't it? Max G, how crazy is it that the measured move, you saw it before we even plotted this channel. I have no idea, I've never seen this before in my life, UNP. Before that, I plotted the measured move of the double top, and look where it goes. It goes to nearly the bottom of the channel, weirdly enough. Is that not wild? So that's it, man. That's it. Remember, you gotta have 2 touch points on the top, 1 on the bottom, or 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. Hey, if you get 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top, even better. But the way you check your math, I guess you would call it charting math, your fib channel tool, equidistant channel is what we call it, the equidistant channel tool. You look on the inside. Do you get a lot of touches on the heart line? And 25, 75, 25? Hard to see. It's not great over here after the dump, but on the way up, beautiful, like extremely nice touches all around every single part of this channel. That's why we have the 25, the heart line, and the 75, because you can have valid points both ways, like having 2 anchor points on the top, 1 on the bottom, or vice versa. But like, if you can get it to work both ways, you then need to understand and look inside the channel what makes the most sense, right? So that's it for your fib channel, your manipulated fib channel tool that we create as an equidistant channel tool. Shout out Larley on that. Okay. What's up, Skyward man? Good to see you, dude. 61 likes, Mr. Lode. I can't believe it. Dang, Jason. Thanks, Mannies.
Thank you. Much appreciated.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, for sure. Max G, thank you for the follow-up 10. Monero's in the jar. Holy crap. Thank you, man. I'm proud to say I fixed the 1337 contribution. So when someone tips 1337, it's actually the Matrix Neo gift that shows up, not Monero anymore. So finally got that worked out. Excellent. Chat's lit, Julian? Is that true? Chat, are y'all lit tonight? Maybe. Okay. I'm scrolling through chat a little bit earlier tonight than I normally do. I normally look at the S coins, but whatever, man. I hope y'all liked that opening song. Oh, so good, dude. So freaking good. That was George Friedrich Handel, The Arrival of the Queen of Sheba, or something. Pendleton shots. What is that? Pendlebot from Diablo 2? Y'all remember that? Let me know if you did. Ignited Minded, thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome. Good to see all of you. New faces and faces of olds. You're all amazing. Marco, my stream looks far ahead of anyone else's. Hey, guess what? You think it'd look like this if I was competing against other people, Marco? Nah, dude. I compete against myself. I don't watch other streamers. Now, I wouldn't say I watched crypto streamers. I watched other streamers in the past on Twitch, just here and there, just to get ideas. I mean, like, hey, you know what? I'll be straight up. This scrolling thing is not my idea. I found it from some random e-thought on Twitch. And it wasn't this it wasn't this great looking, right? It didn't have the logo and the different things. It was just one little bar scrolling. And I'm like, oh, okay. So to take a little bit, it's not stealing. It's just, are you kidding me? That's just a good idea from whoever it was. They probably took it from someone else. So, man, if I was competing against other people, maybe the stream wouldn't look like this. Okay. So UMP Connect, Double Top Connect, Momentum Shift Connect. Gross. And you don't want to know what, man? It's not like you didn't have a coinciding variable with you. I bet it was there on the weekly too. We don't even have to. Look. The high on price, the exact same high on price, lower levels, relative strength. That's all you need to know. Bearish divergence, class B. Okay. Good luck, UMP, on your descent down. Big dump today. Gross. Oh, chat, we got something. We freaking got something. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Almost looks like a wedge. What the heck, dude? It's not just a wedge. It's also a double top. Are you kidding me? Oh, my God, chat. Oh, my God. If you're looking at this and you're not excited, you don't care about charts, man. You're just here for the graphics, man. Because this beats all the graphics on your screen right here. Texas Instruments. Okay, Skyward, you should be disappointed in your state for showing such weakness. Just kidding. It's like all-time, it like hit all-time highs today, literally. All right, but, oh man, look at that. All right, we're gonna take it deeper, chat. We're gonna take it deeper now. You got the good old wedge double top combo. I bet we got something else too. Previous high to low. Mother of God, chat. You're at the 1618 fib extension. You've been rejected, dude. Holy ass. Holy F. In this situation, you gotta be kidding me. Sorry, man. It's not. It doesn't happen every day where you get this much beauty. Okay, just scanning. Like you're like, meh, whatever, it was good. Holy crap, dude. Okay, so that's it, dude. Texas Instrument itself is probably just gonna win Hype King. Okay, sorry, Brett, Tyler M, Cruelty, Kevin. It's gonna be Texas Instruments by itself. Okay, there's nothing we can do about it. Kappa. Take a short tomorrow. Like, just be like, okay, taking short at open tomorrow. Okay. Wow. I mean, if you care about assets at all on the stock market, you care about trading, you care about even shorting, whatever, this is worth the entirety of you showing up. It's now worth it. Okay, there was no time wasted because of this potential trade setup on a short. Okay, that's it. Whew. Good God. Rising 1G, that's it, Julia. It is a rising 1G. He would be so proud right now. We've lost him to the winds of winter in Canada. Muscle of Pats is here for the music. What the heck, dude? Rev Jim Jones, is that really you? Because if it's not, someone's impersonating actual Dave Jones. So. Oh no, Marco. Yeah, for sure. I know you are, Marco, but it wasn't even me being aggressive towards you. It was just me being like, myself being like, hey man, if you think it's good and it's head and shoulders above other people's streams, then it's like, you know, me just trying to say, hey man, to everyone else. It's like a lesson almost, where it's like, don't compete against other people, compete against yourself from yesterday, right? That's what I meant, Marco. So I know you were showing love, dude. I know you, and you're freaking awesome. I really appreciate you, dude. So sorry, I didn't mean to miscommunication right there on both sides, maybe, dude. My bad. Okay, sorry. So local dinosaur man, Mississippi Jesus man. Lisa A, shout out to her from the Averets. Yes, Lisa A from Seattle. Hype in the chat for her. Okay. JT, whenever I want, man. When do you trade JT money? You're outpacing your job. What do you do? Dude, don't ask me, man. I was outpacing my job too and just getting stuck. And then I started, you know, I was working on my job and I was just trading, swing trading, living life. And then like I was trying to help people in communities, crypto communities, trading communities, and then like approached by lifetime crypto people trying to help. And they said, you should just stream with a couple other people. And it's like, okay, started doing that. And this is like, it's like the universe just said, here, come this way. Come this way. I'm like, okay, I'll come this way. And that's like how streaming started. It was like recommended. Someone was like, you should do this. Multiple people said I should do this. It's like, okay. And they were not in a good spot. They needed a pawn. I was their pawn at the time. So it wasn't even like, you know, coming from like probably a selfless endeavor on their part, right? They're like, we're going to teach this guy how to stream, and then we're going to screw the competition that screwed us. It was vindictive, the mentality of the people who recruited me to start streaming. So, ill intent. What's up, Jenna? Congrats. Hey, you're going to college? Well, hopefully you're getting a good degree and you're not getting in too much debt. All right. Pawn 7 took 9. What is it, Jason? Room 7 took 9. What? Oh my God, Jason. That did not work out very well, did it? Fierceness. Brett, I was just in sales, man. Sold media. Before that, was in college at Alabama. Before that, well, during that, played football at Alabama. And also, you know, I was a program director for the radio station, all that. You know, internships for broadcasting, and again, leadership, like management and stuff like that. So very weird mix of things for my schemata. All right. That's right, Julia. That they do. No, Logo Dinosaur, we are all Kangs together. We're all on the same level, dude. Same level. Chemistry good. You could always end up being a Walter White, Capo. And only a responsible amount of debt. Perfect, Jenna, perfect. No, Andreas. No. Linebacker, Kangers. Linebacker. Okay, let's go on to the next one. This is just too perfect, though. Texas Instruments. Oh my God. Might just take a small short ad open tomorrow, because it's just like, what the heck? Why not? Okay, let's see. Well. McDonald's Connect. Excuse me. Wow, the 3618 fib extension. Got all the way up there. Let's extend this. Now look, right? Look here, listen. I haven't looked at this in a while, all right? We just move it on up. What do we do? Look at that, all right? All I did was extend it on. Look at the respect. Oh my God, chat. Beautiful, man. Freaking beautiful. So what happened? You know, you hit the top. It's a Head and Shoulders. Holy crap, on McDonald's. Anybody? Some sort of a Head and Shoulder. It looks like, doesn't it? Up here. Man. And all the divergence on the way up is just ridiculous, dude. High, higher high, about the same high, and you were just making lower levels relative strength every time. And then the dumpening. Wow. Right after the dividends. So, you know, it was like you were in this crazy uptrend, and the velocity, the angle of ascent changed, became more steep, meaning more demand for this asset. Remember the bottom trend line in an uptrend? What is it called? It's called the demand line. And the top is the supply line. McDonald's never ends, Sprocket. Yeah. McDonald's with some sort of... sucks because the neckline's it's off. It's really not that great because again, like, your shoulders are oblonged, but you could almost say left bottom, right bottom. It's just kind of like some eve and eve, higher high double top. And if you look at it like that, you can. This is the neckline, right? And you're breaking it again today, right? You broke back above it. One bottom, and then a second bottom that's kind of larger, right? It's like the Eve connect. I don't know, it's like Adam and Eve kind of. You see what I'm saying? And this is the neckline, and you just broke it. So 209.78 snapped, and so we could go $10.13 measure move. It's not big, not a big measure move at all. we could see ourselves in time down on McDonald's around $199, $200, which putting us near and near to that 200-day moving average. Last time we touched that was October 1 year ago. Remember, Q4 can be really bad. You got to think about hedge fund managers, asset managers. They've had a really good beginning of the year, which I know they did. You know they did, unless they were just going short. When we went from December 24th, 2018, all the way up to sometime this summer, it was straight line up. It was like 5-6 months of just crazy V-shaped recovery on the stock market. So 2019, probably a good year for them. So what do? They take profit towards the end of the year. Clear everything, clear the books, man. Get ready for the next year. So, yeah, I could easily see this playing out on McDonald's. Interesting, man. I'm loving it, personally. It, a vague pronoun, chat. McDonald's triggered me. Flex, 3.5 million, 3.6 million volume per day. Flex Connect. Huh. Oh, man. Gap fill. This thing's got a crazy dump, man. Hit its top. It was all over. Wow. We're talking about craziness up here.
Taco Tuesday. Nah. TA Tuesday. Thanks for the hard work and the info.
Is that a joint?
Jading, thanks for the $4.20, man. Really, really appreciate it. And thank you for watching, man. Really. Okay. So I don't know, man. It's kind of good. You've broken back over the 200-day moving average for how long, though? I mean, how long has this correction been going on? It's been going on since January 2018. So wow, over a year and a half now. Clearly, you broke some sort of Momo shift downtrend, but that doesn't mean anything yet. Let's go from that high point to low point to see 38% retrace a couple times. The scanner's saying this is a double top, which could be. It looks like an impulse up, maybe some downslope consolidation. You might rise again. So we know we've hit the golden zone, and when we reversed, we made a higher low. And we're rallying again, not making higher highs. Not really that great. I don't see much here right now. That's okay. When you're scanning, you're not going to always see something that just sticks out like Texas Instruments, man. Really? Good God. Yes, Vince. Sorry, Flex. Just not that great. Synovus Energy. It's like 3.5 million. All right, clear as day range. Oh my God. What the heck? That's a beautiful range, man. Just wonderful. But I can't say I see much opportunity here at all. I mean, it's like saying double top. That's, yeah, maybe, but kind of like XABCD stuff. And you're selling off now. Hey, maybe you'll set up an alert on Synovus Energy. It might take a year, but you get that alert set up. Just put it there and forget about it. If you never hear the beep, you don't care. We'll go like 950 on an alert here, and that'd be wonderful. You missed the ride. You missed the bus on the short opportunity up here at 1435. That's okay, no big deal. But now we're just kind of in the dead middle of the range. So maybe opportunity for a long down here, but dude, it's 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. You know, the rule of 3. The probability is now going to increase dramatically the next time you get down here that you could break this bearishly, because it's a bearish rectangle, right? You can see the trend is nothing but lower highs, lower lows, and this base here is your all-time lows. So yeah, even if you get down here, it may be bad because of the overall trend being bearish. Okay, not really that great, man. Not great, kind of terrible. All right. $2.99 Bitcoin, Ray. How about rewind? $2.99. Rewind to beginning of show. Go 5 minutes in, and we talk about Bitcoin. That's right, Ryan, dude. It's insane. Oh, the ability to deliver punch. Dude, don't read that, dude. People have read it on TTS before. Okay, it's like the recruiter guy with terrible English. You know, just some guy. Yes, he whatever. I just like, why didn't they proofread this stuff, dude? I was offended. Okay, XEL. Oh my God, chat. Holy crap, a double top. Not just a double top. Come on. The coinciding variables. Ladies and gentlemen, we might have another one. XEL. Put it in the books, man. Now, very bullish trend. Come on, we know that. But good God, if you can't say the coinciding variables aren't brilliant. High on price, about the same high on price, much lower levels of positive momentum. Chat, come on. Lower levels of relative strength. Double top connect. So freaking nice. Wow, what was that? I'm having trouble here clicking things. Clicking things, not my strong suit or something. Does anyone see this? I mean, this is what dreams are made of here, chat. This is it. I mean, a high flyer that's been gone, that is gone. Oh, let's go to the weekly real quick, just so we can do this stupid stuff, okay? Don't even know how this is gonna play. It's insane. Don't even know if I can make it happen, dude. I just don't. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh my God. The parabola, man. It's just gone. The curved line. It's out of here. Okay, got touched right there. That's off just a little bit now. Crap, it has to be like. This tool is kind of wacky, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches. You're so far away from this curved line now that you think that on the weekly, oh my God, chat, are you kidding? Chat, look at this. On the weekly, high on price, high on price, highest high on price, weekly bearish divergence on the MACD to coincide it all with the daily. Wow. This doesn't get you going, dude. I just don't even know. Okay. Excel Energy, not Excel the program, by Microsoft Connect. It's freaking wild, dude. I mean, it's out of this world wild. Okay, you were warned. No, you don't have to wait for neckline confirmation on these to short. Of course not. They're low risk. There's the lowest risk area, and then there's low risk areas. Like a neckline breakout back test is a potential short opportunity, but then there's also, hey, you start seeing the rounding action, and you're able to identify divergence. You got the edge. You got the freaking edge, dude, on a double top with this kind of oscillator function down here. Oh my God. People would take shorts up here, and then they would take profit actually at the neckline. So if the trade fails, you actually made money on a failed trade. How about that? Mother of God, I'm beside myself today. Maybe it's because it's October 1st. It's birthday month, man. 58.68 is the measured move of this pattern that's not that big, but it is there, visible, discernible on a daily time scale. Hangers, come on, what are you doing? What about we just We're looking at one. We're looking at XL. We looked at Texas Instruments. Thanks for the 314 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks so much. Oh, we got 100 likes, man. We did it. We're only 41 minutes in. So remember, if you didn't know, it's the first of the month, so that is the best time of the month to join the Patreon. Sorry. Yeah, if you want to support the stream, you like what I do, you're like, hey man, I like you scanning charts, looking for opportunities for us live, just hanging out, and I like your graphics, and I like everything you do, everything about it. I mean, the best way to support the stream is via the Patreon. Because in the Patreon, there are amenities that incentivize you to join it. It helps you. It's so education rich, worth way more than $100 just because of the education. But what I've started doing recently is I started doing unofficial stock trade setups. Because, dude, I'm sorry, but there's just not enough opportunity in crypto. There's just not. Dude, the market's terrible. It's maybe scalpers can do it. That's fine. But for what we're talking about with swing trading on significant time scales, it's pretty trash. It's become trash. It was okay. There's certain times when crypto's good and bad. Like, whoa, man, oh my God, we had the run up 6 months, but it's like you need to constantly have a pipeline of assets that could break to the upside or downside that are at good spots of value for a short or a long. Crypto, you just can't do it, man. There are just times where there's just not much opportunity for a swing trader. Okay, I'm sorry. So, that's what I'm starting to do. These unofficial trade setups on stocks. Well, it's not quotations on stocks, it's real, but it's doing that, I guess, for the sake of education, so you can understand it, learn it, and apply it to crypto if you want. But trying to apply to crypto right now is just not that great. Everything's so beaten down. I mean, dude, Dash is an 88% retrace showing weekly bullish divergence. Looks like a double bottom. I don't know if it's going to play out. It looks like it could, but that's one asset. There are many assets that aren't showing any opportunity, and it's just like I can't deal with just only a handful of coins that have enough liquidity that even makes sense to try to trade them, and they're not setting up for lower prices or higher prices. Clearly, I got to find something. I got to do what I've been doing, before all this crypto game. All right. Yeah, Danji, it's isolated pockets of probability. There you go, dude. So it's like, okay, try to guess. I'm sure he is. Sure he is. Unofficial trade setups on stocks. Yeah, Brett, there you go, dude. Yes, web developer newbie. Exactly, man. Okay, so if you had a problem with it, I don't know what to tell you, dude. It's just, it's reality. This market, the crypto market, I chose it because I do believe in Bitcoin wholeheartedly. I believe in blockchain and crypto. I do. But we're talking about trading. We're talking about blockchain technology and affiliate marketing crap. Okay, hey, chat, I'm going to expose you to some S-Coin potential scam. Here's my affiliate link, dude. Nah, dude, we don't do that. Sorry. And notice how on these streams you don't see ads when you click to join, but you'll see ads on other streamers' streams before you enter. Not monetizing. Okay. Yeah, Hourglass is a good question, man. I don't know. Maybe it's just people are crazy that they won't do that. Cap up. All right. Anyway, we can move on. We can do this all night, man. It doesn't matter. Whatever. I don't know if you're even getting anything out of it to begin with, General Moly Incorporated up 25% today. What is that? GMO? Oh my God, it looks like an S-Coin. Oh, I don't even know. It's over 1 million volume. Wild though. Look at the bottom, the second bottom. Good God. Blasted off. Not worth it. Penny stock. Let's see. ICE. Oh, the Intercontinental Exchange Incorporated. How apropos. With Bokt. This is the father and mother of Bokt. Here it is, the ICE. What in, I mean, mother of God, dude. It's just crazy. It's gone mad, and guess what? Forming probably a wedge. Tell me if I'm wrong here. Chat, wake up. Good God. Oh my. Yeah, so it looks kind of like the the S&P 500 in a way, even though it's like very clearly at all-time highs, right? Not like just barely making it, man, for 2 years now. Now that's an extremely nice looking rising wedge pattern, and it has RSI daily bearish divergence. I see. Here it is. High on price. Higher high on price. Highest on price every time. It's just like lower levels of relative strength. As you can see, high, higher high, slightly higher high, slightly lower levels of relative strength. And so from there, we were unable to make a higher high. We dumped, then we rallied, made a lower high. Does seem very possible that this may look a lower high like that's not good. I cut it on just a couple days ago. We had a big bearish engulfing candle. So trying to hold on to support from July 2019, but if this does break out bearishly, well, pretty easy to get a measurement here. There you go, $6.72. Oh my God, excuse me, burped. Measured move will put you down $85. Okay. Okay, so we've been live nearly an hour. I'll go a couple more minutes and I'll get out of here, okay? I don't even know, man. To a symmetrical triangle. Saying it looks like a double top or something. Oh my God. That's wild looking right there, dude. Dude, you want to see like just a momentous size potential double top? It's crazy, man. It's freaking crazy. High, slightly lower, high, and yeah, just like look over here, man. Look at the divergence, convergence is very weak, man. Very, very weak. You can see it. So it's a much more significant pattern than the others we've seen because it's so large. There you have it, chat. Potential double top, who cares? Who even cares? Another idea that would back this up probably would be something like close. Something like that. Some sort of Garley-esque. That's it, dude. Okay. It's potential weekly double top. It's insane, dude. It's very, very crazy. All right. The attempted rally, we see it all the time. It might be a position short on this asset, MCHP. Not even kidding. Wow. Okay. Oh. Alright, so pretty bearish. Huge impulse down like that. You'd think that it's just making lower highs now. Yeah, definitely double top, but so that move's already happened from the high to the higher high. It was like a bit, you know, did you not have any divergence here? I mean, up here you kind of did, but. What's up, Kumar? Thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome. Okay, you ran up and tested that 200-day moving average for dumping. Okay. So where was it? Here it was, dude. Here was the divergence that killed you on Rio. Right, high, higher high, slightly higher high. Double top's already happened, right? I mean, dude, this thing's already played out, so dead asset. I mean, it's like dead potential trade setup, right? Is what I'm saying. It was beautiful, man. Just glorious. Measurement clearly hit at this point, way down there. Great stuff, Rio. Ooh, triple topping? Are you kidding me? Wow, dude. Oh my god, and like on the triple top, on the third top, it's like lower levels of relative strength on the daily. Look at that. I mean, you can call it convergence, divergence all you want. That's weak, and the dump happened, man. Big selling came in past 2 days. And your neckline is here. Guess we could just do this, alt H, whatever. Yeah, it's gonna be here. So topish of the range, 79% of the way up there. So a lot of downside potential, way more downside potential than upside potential, and again, it doesn't look like you're at the best area value. Those are always near the actual top of the ranges, and that's why you just got to be on these. You got to scan, always be scanning, looking for the opportunities when they get to these peaks or valleys. Tyler, I'm glad you do. Okay. Feel kind of stupid doing them sometimes. I mean, like, I don't care. I'm going to play these and swing trade them, position trade them. I don't care. Kirkland. Megaphone, ascending broadening wedge. Kind of looks like to me. I mean, maybe. I got ascending broadening wedge, dude. It's just crazy, dude. Partial rise much? lower high. You could also call this a head and shoulders pattern. Neckline, it's a head and shoulders, and it's an ascending broadening wedge. Nice combo, nice combination right there. That's pretty cool looking, right? You don't always get those combos, man. See it? Lower high on the rally, attempted rally. You also made bearish convergence on the lower high. So there you go. You've already dumped, but you have not broken the neckline of this potential pattern. And if you did, well, you could do a measure move if you want. Looks like $9 measure move. How about that? There you go. Take you all the way down to 34.55. Wonderful, dudes. Okay, so been live for 57 minutes. I want to say thanks so much to Jay Dinks and Max G. Max G coming in with a 20. Thank you, dude. All right, so I will just be back sometime tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. So I'll just be back again. So until next time, respect the TA.